A young male patient was presented with scrotal swelling on right side. We can see that the left side was normal, and on right side, although the testis is normal, but adjacent to it, dilated tubular anechoic channels are there. These channels had internal curvilinear echogenic areas which were showing twirling kind of movement or undulating kind of movement, as we can see on the screen. So these are dilated lymphatics because they were not taking any color on power Doppler, and the twirling movement is suggestive of dilated lymphatics with filariasis, and this characteristic sign is known as filarial dance. We confirmed that these are dilated lymphatics because no flow on Doppler was there in the channels. This problem may arise because of bite of a mosquito in the endemic areas, which results in presence of the microfilari within the lymphatic channels of the patient. Dilated lymphatics can cause such swelling in the scrotum or in the limbs. The condition is endemic in various parts of the world. In books, we used to study that the blood sample should be collected between 10 pm to 2 am because microfilari will come in the peripheral circulation in nocturnal hours. But this is not used now. Provocation of microfilari to come in circulation during daytime by giving diethyl carbamazine is also obsolete now. Most of the clinicians either simply go for an antigen test, or if suppose hydrocele is there, they can aspirate the fluid, and on the wet mount microscopic examination can be done. And most commonly, if the clinical setting and the ultrasonographic features are characteristic, then there is no need to confirm. We can directly give diethyl carbamazine TDS 100 mg for 15 to 30 days and the patient will be treated.